Welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So this is the challenge 3, that is the salary ranking. So what we have to do in this is basically, you have to first write an SQL query to rank the employees within their department based on salary. You have to rank all the employees in the descending order of their salary. So highest employee should get should be in the first. So it should not skip any number. Because it should not skip any number. For example, if two employees have the same salary, if you take normal rank, then it gives 1, 2, 2, then it goes to 4, it skips 3. So this shouldn't happen here. So that is why we're taking dense rank. So dense rank basically gives you, even if two people have the same salary, it continues with the next number and not the total number of count. We have to identify the highest salary in each department, compute the difference between each employee's salary and their top salary. If the employee salary is this much and the top salary is this much, so you have to compare, and then you have to sort the results by the department and then by salary rank. Alright, so let us see the code. First, select the name, department, and the salary of the employees. Now, dense rank, like I told, it is to avoid skipping of any numbers. Dense rank over. So you have to first take the partition, that is by department. Take the department. For example, if the employees belong to this department, and then order it by the salary in descending order. You have to take each dense rank as salary rank. This is taken as a salary rank. Now, from this salary rank, I have to take only the first value, the top value, that is in the highest number, highest salary paid. From this thing, again from here it is the same thing. You can see this thing and this thing is same. So here you have taken the first value minus the current value, whatever you are calculating, minus salary. As difference from top, we have to calculate difference from top. From the employees table, order it by department and salary rank. Simple. I'll run it. So here you can see, this is a salary rank. That is the 1. Difference from top is 0. Salary rank 2 is difference from top is 5k. So difference between the salary of Helen and Grace is 5k. Grace is earning 5k more. Now compare with the Imran and Grace, it is 13k. 13k, Grace is earning more. That is salary rank 3. So this is of the analytics department. Now similarly, we are grouping it by department. So next is engineering, next is finance, HR, marketing, etc. It goes on in the order. So I hope you guys have understood this one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.